Well, the Fresno County Athletic Hall of Fame was founded in 1958. And the founders of this organization had a dream that one day they'd have a place in our community that our citizens could come and actually see these athletes and hear their stories. And so to be able to have this, it means a lot to us. We've worked hard to get where we are, and we're very, very excited about it. One of the things that we did not want was another museum. We wanted a place that was interactive, that was alive, and this technology and these displays enable us to bring these athletes alive. Many of them have interviews, and people are able to experience these people in their own voice, and that's very impressive to us.
The technology that we've incorporated into this facility is cutting edge. You know, we've got a 24-foot interactive touch display that allows 4 people to interact and learn all about our athletes and play videos and email or text that information back to their cell phones or their computers at home. You know, that's pretty neat. So we're pretty proud of that. It's a complicated mix. Planar being here for us and helping us to integrate all these technologies and all these different suppliers and vendors and parts and pieces, and their hats off to them because they've been there for us, and I don't think we could have done it without them. You know, there's a lot of stuff going on here, and it's all mostly touch, and so that adds another dimension to it. But their support team, amazing. You know, you have a problem, you get an issue, something you need to work through, they're there, and that's been a real benefit for us. Well, I think the technology that we've incorporated into the system here gives us 2 things. First of all, it gives us the opportunity to grow. You know, nothing's static. You know, an exhibit system like this that remains the same over time can be boring. But with the ability to be able to build an infrastructure with technology to be able to grow and expand into augmented reality and all these really cool features, you know, that's just going to be a real feather in the cap here. It's going to bring people back. It's going to allow fundraising, recruiting. We're very excited about it.
Well, our vision from the very beginning is to tell the stories of these athletes so our youth are able to learn about who these people were. More so than the awards and accolades that they've earned, we think the important thing is the character of who these people were. And so we're partnering with the Fresno County schools to create lessons for students to be able to visit the Hall of Fame and learn from the stories of these great athletes. And this interactive technology gives us that opportunity. Well, we just appreciate the partnership with Planar and what they've been able to do for us. Those that have gone before, their legacies are kept alive through this technology, and we just think this is a golden opportunity for this community.